Let's go.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. So in this video we want to eat our delicious pepper soup we prepared. Okay, so this is with tilapia and yam. Okay, watch out for our previous video how we prepare the tilapia and yam pepper soup. Okay, it's on my YouTube channel how we prepare it. Come and join us with this delicious food.
Beautiful people, you are invited. This is tilapia pepper soup. Okay, we didn't cut fish for them.
This is tilapia fish. Manila.
I can't wait to test it.
It's yummy.
Okay.
Like a spoon, you know.
Finger.
Manila,
Yeah.
don't eat bone. Sea fish. Philip. Philip.
Philip, be careful, eh? This tilapia pepper soup. Okay. You are invited.
You are invited.
Thank you, Jesus, for this meal.
This tilapia.
Wow. Why are you touching your? You hear pepper soup, you are touching your hands.
Pepper soup. Don't put it in your eyes.
Wow. This is so
yummy.
It's cold. Wow.
The ingredients is rich.
Stop playing now. Eat. Wow, beautiful people, please, if you don't hear my voice, don't get annoyed with me. I'm busy small. Don't worry, that's why we have teeth.
Dear fish. Use your hand. Use your hand.
Use your hand. Once in a while, it's good to do something like this with your family. Enjoy with your family. Life is short. Give me the auntie. Water.
Chebo, the juice cup.
You have thrown your cup away now. Wait. Let me rinse it for you. Give me your... Yeah, take it. Ooh. The pepper soup is so spicy.
Of course.
They've seen it before. Yeah, be careful. Don't put your hand in your face. Please like, share, comment.
Eat fish.
Sleep. Fish. This is yam, uncle. Yam, yam. Yam.
Good.
Gently, can you finish that? Wait, let me help you. Yeah, put it in your mouth, eh? See, I've helped you to cut pieces the yam. Yeah. Sorry. You finish your water again?
My job on now.
Now why?
Ẹ má gun kọ́ọ̀pù mọ́. Kò mú mi mọ́.
Mommy, pick water for Philip.
This kind of meal, you have to relax. You don't need to be in a hurry. Philip, bone, yeah. Don't put hand in your face, so. Yeah, take.
Fish. I'll eat the fish. Philip, forward Jaja.
You can use your hand, but don't put hand in your face, so. Let me show you what we are eating. Beautiful people, as you can see, this is our pepper soup. That is Emanuela. Philip.
Delicious.
Philip, eat. This is Philip's own. And this is our own.
Ojemo. Can I take fish?
Wow. I think that's gone up.
In video. Yeah, jókòó. Jókòó. Tó bá jẹ wọ́n máa ṣeré.
Philip, where are you going? Philip.
Manila Titi.
Sit.
Janky.
Anki. Oh, see. Here's Anki. Take.
Manila Jack, why she bye now? Only she bye.
Manila, oh yeah. Let's come. Philip, come and say bye.
Yeah, for one. Phone.
Philip, come and say bye. Come.
What's a long delay?
Oh yeah, Manila, say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
See you in the next video. Beautiful people. See you in the next video. Bye.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.